Replacing a wall socket from a broken 2-prong to a 3-prong. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is the broken 2-prong. Pretty much kind of just fell apart when I removed it from the wall. Replacing it with a 3-prong. You got a ground here that we're not using. That's the green one. Just screw that all the way in. We're going to use this bottom positive. We're not using that one. Screw that all the way in. Screw this bottom one all the way in. We're going to use the top one for the ground. I don't know if you can see it there. That's for the ground. That's why we don't worry about this green ground here, because we are already grounded on this side. Just going to screw it in hand tight as you can get it. Push it in the wall. Nice and tight. That's pretty much how you do it. It's flush. The cost of the new one was less than $5. Buy a cover. I bought one. Didn't need it at the time. I knew I was gonna need it. Broke there in the middle. Glad I did. I think this was $1.30 something, $1.35, $1.50. No more than $2. Can't get it open. Comes with a screw. One screw, flathead, matching colored tip. Hold it up there. It'll guide itself in. It's about as tight as I need it, but see how it's done. Don't take that long. Don't take a rocket science to do it. For under $10, you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.